In this video, I will show you how to fix no sound on YouTube videos. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, there's a couple of things you can try if you are trying to watch YouTube videos and there's no sound coming through. The first thing you're going to want to check is the actual sound on the video itself. So once you've got the video paused, you're going to get the bar at the bottom. You want to make sure first of all it's not muted. You can see in my case it is muted. So all you need to do is tick onto the icon here to unmute, and then you can see if that resolves your problem. If you're still not getting any sounds, then what you can do is come up to the top to the tab, right click onto the tab itself and make sure that the site itself is not muted. As you can see, there is an option to mute site, which we can click on, and if we right click you can now see it says unmute site. So it could be the case that the site is muted, in which case you're going to want to select unmute site from this option. Another thing you can check is next to the address bar, you can see this icon here. If you actually go ahead to give that a click, you're going to get this little menu come up. What you want to do is make sure that sound is toggled on here, just like so. Refresh the website and see if that fixes the problem. And the final thing you can do is come down to your search box at the bottom, type sound mixer into the search box just down here, and then click onto sound mixer options, which should come up underneath best match. In here, what you want to do is come down to the app section and make sure the volume is turned up for Google Chrome or whichever browser you're using to watch YouTube videos. So hopefully one of those methods will resolve your problem and you should now have sound on YouTube videos, and that's how to fix no sound on YouTube videos. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.